spending 8 months in Guatemala, the country where Giorgio was born. We explore the most beautiful places and experience local cultures, traditions and food.
Except traveling around in Guatemala, we are also volunteering in an ecological hotel in the jungle of Petén. We are spending more than 1 month on Lake Atitlan in Guatemala, one of the most beautiful lakes in the world. It lies in a caldera formed by a volcano eruption around 84,000 years ago. In the last 2 episodes of Dreamy Travel Story, we visited the Jaibalito and the village of Santa Cruz La Laguna on Lake Atitlan. In today's episode, we are going to explore the little Maya village of Tzununa. From there, we will hike to San Marcos La Laguna. Welcome to Dreamy Travel Story. We are keep exploring Lake Atitlan. If you want to see our Lake Atitlan videos, just click on the little card. Today we are in a small town of Tzununa. To reach Tzununa, we are taking a lancha from the dock in San Pedro, as we have our Airbnb on the hill between San Pedro and San Juan. No matter how many times we are crossing the lake, and no matter how bumpy the ride is, we always enjoy it. You can't get tired of this view, one of the most beautiful lakes in the world, which is the deepest lake in Central America, and then the 3 volcanoes next to it.
We reached the dock of Tzununa.
Tzunun means colibri hummingbird in Cachiquel, which is the local Maya language here in Tzununa. The view from the dock is gorgeous. It seems to be a sort of a loop, so we will try to find some hidden spot. Actually, this town is already quite hidden.
But before we are exploring, press the subscribe button and hit the little bell so you don't miss any of our travel videos from Guatemala.
If you don't want to walk, you can always take a tuk-tuk, but we are not in a hurry, so we prefer to have a stroll through the lush nature and the coffee trees.
The little road leading up to the main village is quite busy.
Tzununa, located on the northern shore of Lake Atitlan, is a little town that belongs to the Santa Cruz La Laguna municipality. The indigenous Maya of Tzununa are part of the Cachiquel ethnic and linguistic group. If you want to experience the beauty of Lake Atitlan and its local life without tourists and without the hustle and bustle of San Pedro, San Marcos or Panajachel, Tzununa is a great choice. You find a few tiendas, a church, a cute hotel, and breathtaking views.
Is it open?
We have just been to the Hummingbird Hostel, which is just down on the road, and we stopped there because, funny enough, we met in Manchester a lady, and we just met the daughter of this lady here in the Hummingbird because she is the owner of the hostel. So we stopped, and as soon as she saw our t-shirts of the Smiths, she said that she started to have really like shivers, and it was really funny to talk with her. We told her that we met her mother in Manchester, so she suggested us to go to this restaurant here, and we said it's really good, so now we're going in and try it. Here we have a typical Guatemalan dish, which is called CARNE ASADA. It's basically a beef steak with rice and a bit of veggies and of course avocado, which I love, plus tortillas. And you know I'm addicted to tortillas. It's really tasty. You have a lovely view of the lake, and you can even see Volcano Acatenango and the smoke from the active volcano Fuego. So we just finished to eat, and the food was really good, really yummy, and really cheap. We spent 70 quetzales, which is about 7 pounds, so for 2 people, 2 meals and 3 drinks. Yeah, we recommend this place. It was really good, traditional Guatemalan cuisine.
After food we pass a little river and then it's cocoa o'clock.
If we were living in Tzununa, we would be regular customers in this little cute organic veggie and fruit shop.
Hola!
Hi! Hola! Gracias! Yay! So I just bought this coconut. I love fresh coconut. It's so good. You could buy one small or a big one, and I choose the small one. It's not that small. It was 5 quetzales. I love coconut. It's so good. And it's really good that they don't give you a plastic straw, which happens in many places in the world when you buy a coconut.
After coconut shopping and saying hola to Tim in the tuk-tuk, a friendly guy that is popping up wherever we go around the lake, it's time to keep walking and exploring.
The place where we bought the coconut, everything was organic there, and actually now we're heading to an organic farm, so we will go and check it out now.
We struggled to find the organic farm at first. We walked too far, but sometimes you find the most beautiful places when you're looking for something else. This viewpoint offers an amazing view of the village, the lake and the volcanoes.
Let's go to the organic farm! We found the organic farm. It's really hidden, so try to check Google Maps to get to here. They have tours Mondays at 10 in the morning. There is also a cafe a bit more south, respective here to the organic farm. So now we're heading there to have a coffee or some drink.
Apparently, the cafe is not open today, but instead of drinking coffee, we meet some cute goats. A small trail, a tiny stream, and some butterflies show us the way to Lago de Atitlan. Tzununa is really a tranquil little gem.
Now we're walking to San Marcos, and it should take around 40 minutes. You can also take the lancha from Tzununa to San Marcos, but we decided to hike because hopefully there will be amazing view over the lake. Arrived in San Marcos La Laguna, the town we will explore in the next episode of Dreamy Travel Story. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next chapters of Dreamy Travel Story in Guatemala and our stories from other beautiful places in the world. If you enjoyed watching our video, give it a thumb up, and also let us know in the comments below if you would like to visit Lake Atitlan in Guatemala.